Okay, guys, so I know you have some question about the Laplace cosines, about how to find the angles, because here we have A, B, and C. And if we have A, B, and C, we know that we can find these lengths. But how to find the angles is just to solve the question for the cosine of each angle. Okay, so for this class, we are going to work in the solving of this equation. So first step, for example, for the equation A, we have a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 times bc cosine of a, right? So what we have here is an equation imagined by a, b, and c in a triangle. So we have a, b, and we only have the incognitive cosine of alpha. So cosine of alpha must be equal to this side stays the same, so this is a squared, and this a, b, and c are positive, so pass to the other side negative and are minus b squared minus c squared, right? So now we have this negative 2bc. So this negative 2bc here, this one is multiplying. So if that is multiplying, pass to the other side dividing. So is dividing is minus 2bc. So this is the formula for finding the cosine of alpha. So we can do the same for the other ones. We have the cosine of beta. Cosine of beta is equal to we have here cosine of beta. Okay, cosine of beta is equal to have b squared positive minus a squared minus c squared all over negative 2 times AC. Okay. Now for the next one, for the cosine of theta, we have here, we have C in this side. So it's C positive minus A squared minus B squared over 2 times AB. Okay, because here we have 2 times AB. So this is the solving of this equation. Just simplify it, guys, and clarify the equation. So in case that you have a triangle side, because you have the measure of C, the measure of B, and the measure of A, you can use these formulas to find the angles in an upright triangle, right? In case that you have, for example, another triangle, like let's suppose this one, that we have this angle, we have one angle, this is 60, we don't know the measure of this angle, we don't know the measure of the angle, but this is not a right triangle, but we have the measure of this one, C equal to 20, and here we have the measure of whatever of these two, for example, here, B equal to 10, so we can use the law of the sin that we saw before, because we have an angle, and we have an opposite length. In case that we don't have an opposite angle, an opposite length, for example, here, let's suppose that we have C equal to 20, B equal to 10, and that we have this angle, let's suppose that is 30 degrees. So we have here a triangle side, angle side, okay? And this kind of problem also with these equations. Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. So let's put numbers to these letters. So this is A. We don't know the measure of A. We have the measure of C. A is the incognite, but we have the angle A. We have angle A or alpha. Alpha is equal to 30. And we don't know the measure of this angle nor this angle. Okay, these are incognite. Well, we have the formula. Remember, your teacher has in the mind the formula. So let's write the formula. A squared is equal to B squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times BC, the cosine of alpha. Okay, the cosine of this opposite length. So we have A squared is equal to B squared. B is 10. Yeah, B is 10 plus C. C is 20 minus 2 times BC. 2 times BC. The cosine of theta. Sorry, the cosine of alpha. Okay, so the cosine of alpha, the angle here is 30. So we have 30, the cosine of 30. And we only solve this and we took the square root. Okay, so let's use the calculator, guys. Okay, so this is A squared is equal to 153.6898, and we need to apply the square root here, and square root here, and we have A is equal to 12.3931 units. Okay, so the answer is here for A is this one. So here, this Catiro is A is equal to 12.3931. Okay, 3931. So now we have this side, and we can use the law of the signal to solve this problem, guys. So I want you to work, please do it for homework, and pause the video, and the answer will appear in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.